What's up guys, it's your boy Wannabe Matt. I hope y'all like that little whole movie thing that I just did. Wait. So yeah, so as you guys can see, I just got myself a new pair of glasses. I'm fresh. Boy, if you don't get it's all crispy, everything is all clean. Yeah. These are my Ray-Ban.
Catch me in the dance in my Ray-Ban.
This is my ClubMaster. I was so excited that I decided to make a whole video about my glasses. If you guys ever want me to do like a more in-depth review of my glasses, I'll be more than happy to. I have so much to say about my glasses. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It's your boy Wannabe Matt, and I'll see you guys in my next video. This was a pretty short video. Just wanted to show off my new glasses to you guys. What do you do?